Good job. See? Looks beautiful? Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning! Today we are preparing waffles, but not a classic one.
Я могу телефон.
No, it's nothing, it's a message. Just, look, we will prepare with cottage cheese. Yeah, with cottage cheese. So we need 240 grams of cottage cheese. Whoa, it's too much. Let's put back. Let's put back. Mash the cottage cheese. Mash, like this. Like this. Like this. Mash. Oops, sorry. Like this. Mash. Let's roll the sleeves like this. Come on, with your two hands. Come on, mash with your two hands like this. Come on, more power. Squeeze. Come on, squeeze. Good job. We need to crack the eggs. We have 3 eggs. Come on, crack them. Crack the eggs. Come on. You want me to crack? Open it. Open. Come on. 1. This was 1. 2. Nice. Come on, open it. Good. Mash.
Hi.
Like this. Come on. Good job. He's a pro in whisking. You are a pro. You're a pro chef. Nice. I like it. Let's add sour cream. I think 2 spoons. Come on, 1, it's good. And second one, come on, add. Second spoon, nice. Do you like sour cream, yeah? You like. Come on, whisk. Good job. Nice. 120 grams. 100. Yeah. Okay. Come on, add the baking powder. First tear it. Come on, tear it. Nice. Now, open it. Nice, Robert. Now this is a trash.
Ой.
Okay. Add gradually, little, small portions, dry ingredients, and now whisk. Come on, whisk. Okay, nice. The rest. Come on, add the rest. It's okay. Come on, whisk. Let's add a little bit of milk. I'm melting the butter. Let's add the butter. It's hot. Don't touch it. Now, gently whisk. Come on, whisk. Gently, whisk. Okay. Bravo.
Robert, be careful, Коля.
It's hot. Daddy will show you how to do this. 1 spoon. 2, 3, and 4.
Яблуряса.
Let's close it. And wait. It's okay. It's a process of preparing the waffle. This sound.
Tá dentro pode vir infinita.
Oh, let's move. Let's move. It can be hot. It can be hot.
É coisa, rato, de isso.
Yeah. Hot comes from here. Yeah.
Só aqui,
Yeah.
here.
1, 2, 3. Ready?
Right,
Ready?
right.
Wow! It's ready. Now let me take our wow. See?
We see.
Looks beautiful.
Cause my can.
Da, let's eat. Come on. Ah, don't I smell?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, let's try. But first, we need this to cool down. Okay. Let's put another for you. But wait, mommy will add honey. Mommy will add honey. Robert, give it a taste.
Косфіку моц лимонаді. Я це вивдів.
I got to waffle.
Yeah.
Do you like it? It's good or not?
Good. Bye bye.
Bye bye.